Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The Microsoft Edge web browser has received another update, which Microsoft rolled out on the 10th of July, which was late yesterday in my region. Now, as always, to double check if you have the update, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And this update will take place automatically in the background, but if it hasn't yet, this process will force the update to the latest version and build, which is 114.0.1823.79. And as always, we're dealing with another point release, and that's been bumped up from 0.67, as we can see, to 0.79. Now, this is actually the fifth maintenance update that Microsoft has rolled out for Edge version 114. So clearly there have been a couple of issues that Microsoft is obviously trying to resolve. And it's not uncommon for Microsoft to roll out these maintenance releases, as I have mentioned previously, between major version upgrades, as they do address and fix various bugs and performance issues. And once again, the release notes tell us that they have fixed those bugs and performance issues once again. So if you have experienced any glitches or problems, or stability issues since upgrading to version 114 that have not been addressed yet, then just double check that you have this update sooner than later, as it may address any issues you have been experiencing in Edge version 114. Now, while we are talking about Edge 114, which is the current stable release, just to let you know and give you a quick heads up, that next week on the 20th, so if we just head to the calendar, next week, the 20th of July 2023, we are expecting the next major version to be rolled out by Microsoft of the Edge web browser for desktop, version 115, which will be the next stable release and major version upgrade. So that will start rolling out from the 20th, heading into the weekend. So that's Edge version 115, making its way to our desktops next week. And I've also had a quick check around the browser after applying this latest point release update, and I'm not noticing any new changes or any new features at this stage. But if that does change, obviously I will let you guys know and post accordingly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.